Now in this section, I'm going to explain you about the importance of Twitter marketing. Although Twitter is not that much popular in terms of traffic when compared with Facebook, but still marketing through Twitter is possible and it might be a successful marketing method as well. Twitter is also not easily accessible and quickly identifiable, but it is also a fastly growing social media network. Here is my valuable guide to get into Twitter marketing. We have 3 easy steps that will help you out in learning how to bring in traffic with Twitter. I'll be explaining each steps in my upcoming lectures, so let's see what is the first one, that is researching the competition. If you're new to Twitter and need a few assistants to follow for your Twitter, you must get started with it by doing a little research on what your competitors are doing in Twitter. Let me tell you before itself, I'm sure that there are a lot of bloggers, tweeters, freelancers available out there who are just familiar like you, enjoying the benefits of Twitter. You can find them by visiting their websites or using directories such as Twilio and vFollow to search for Twitter users in a specific industry. For example, if you're having a bakery in your own local town and searching for the right road for profit, you can go check out for the local bakery owners in larger cities, then try to broaden your bakery in your own city in Twitter website. Once you have found them, follow them and see what they do. Note what seems to get good response and what doesn't. Be sure to check it out to see what you can learn from others in your field. All these can be done with the software that I am providing with the course. I would conclude by saying that researching the competition would be the initial stage for starting with Twitter marketing.